Hello everyone, welcome to my channel greetarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. So if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support guys, means a lot. Okay, so in the description box below I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. Okay, please support me there also. So today's pick a card is a love reading. Okay, so what's coming next in your love life? So this is going to be your love reading. Okay, so I have not done a love reading. I feel in this channel I didn't do. Okay, so this is my first one, I guess. So let's see. Okay, so I have pulled out 3 cards and we have 3 stones over here. You can select with the color or something. So for group number 1, this is blue one. Oh, sorry, blue color, light blue. For group number 1, for group number 2 we have this pink one, and for group number 3 we have the white color. Okay, so let's see what's coming next in your love life. Okay, so 1 2 3. So don't think of anything, close your eyes, relax your mind and pick with your intuition. Okay, pick a card or just the stone, whatever you are attracted to intuitively. Okay, so select. Okay, and then go to the description box, find the timestamps and just click your video. And remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Okay, so I'm gonna start with group number 1. Hello group number 1. Oh my god. so all of you who chose this one, okay, for blue color, with this blue color I am getting the vibe of like the throat chakra, where you are not letting out your truth, you're keeping it to yourself. So sometimes when we do that, we suffocate. I kind of feel like that's a kind of suffocation, because we are not letting our truth come out, and that's why we are feeling so suffocated here. I kind of feel like that, you need to let your truth come out, you need to let the feelings come out. Okay, so speak your truth, I feel like that. So in your love life I feel like that you need to speak out. So whatever the truth is, you need to speak out here, I feel like that. So the first card is like a mature woman. Okay, so with the 6 number, mature woman, so I feel in your life there is a person who is older than you. She's a woman who will be helping you out in this situation. Okay, she might give you good advice. She is like full of love. She's coming with full of love, I feel like that, and she might give you advice that will help you. Okay, so if you have if there is a person who is like older than you, she's a woman, if she's giving you advice, take it, I feel like that. That is what it is coming, because she's very wise and she will be giving good advice for you guys, I feel like that. And for other people, if you're single, I kind of feel like that someone mature will come into your life, who is older than you, maybe. That is also is coming. Like a friend also, I feel like that, like a mother figure also, maybe she will be advising you. Okay, or someone you will meet, you will be happy to have a good conversation, I feel like that for some of you here. Look at the second card over here, is despair. You are struggling right now, you don't know where you're going, you don't know what to do in this situation, you're just suffocating. So this person, look at this person, he is so dissatisfied, he don't know where he's going, he just don't want to do things, he's like so stressed out, nothing is going right in my life, everything is a challenge. So this kind of energy you're emitting right now. So in your love life, you are so stressed about your love life. So for some of you, I feel like that you're not letting your truth out, you're just suffocating in the environment, you don't know what to do and you don't know where this is going, you're hurting yourself, right? You have so much of conflicts inside you, you don't know where this is going, you're not even saying it out, you're just keeping it to yourself, I feel like that here. We have let go of control issues, allow the situation to unfold naturally. Okay, so yes, you are trying to control the situation. Sometimes we try to control the situation, and when we do that, nothing will go right here. That is what they are saying here. You need to take your time, be patient about it. Okay, so if you are if you're single, maybe you want a relationship, so you're focusing on love so much that it is going like away from you. So don't focus that much, just let it go and it will come to you. First, if you're single, I kind of feel like that you're stressing out, when I'll get married, what is going to happen in my life, why I am lonely. If you're thinking like that, you need to let that go. Okay, so that is for single people. You need to let that go, and when you will stop stressing about it, it will happen naturally. So that is what coming for. There is a lot of messages here because this is the general reading. So that is the first message. If you're single, I feel like that if you're stressing about it, just let it go for now. Let that past go, let everything go. Don't focus too much on love. Just live in your present moment. Do the work you need to do in your life. If you're searching for if you're doing an arranged marriage or whatever it is, just go with it. Just don't focus too much. Don't be stressed about it, that it will not happen. Don't think negative. That is what I'm getting. And if you are in a relationship also, I feel like that sometimes you need to let go of the control issue. Sometimes we try to control other people's behavior. If you're trying to control, you want this way things, and he is not, or he or she is doesn't, they also have a different perspective about things. So I feel you need to communicate clearly. You need to let go of the control. Sometimes you can only control yourself. You cannot control any other person. Okay, so you can only control your thoughts, your emotion, the way you behave. So that is in your hands. Okay, but you cannot do that to other person because they are in charge of their actions, right? You are in charge of your actions. So what you need to change in yourself, do that. Okay, but don't try to control anything, any situation. Okay, here I feel some of you trying to control. You want them to behave a certain way, and they are not doing it because and that's the point here. You are not communicating clearly because you want them to act a certain way, but you're not speaking it out, and you're just keeping it inside yourself, and that is why you have so much of suffocation here. I feel like that you don't know where this is going because you're not letting it out. So the first thing you need to do is, first you need to let the control issue, okay, go that, and take time, be patient about this, and speak your truth here. Communicate properly. Have a see their perception also. Let them see your perception also. Have a heart to heart conversation. I feel like that, without arguing. Okay, that is the thing. And you need to sometimes let go of your pride also. I feel like that in relationship, most often I have seen that, I think that our pride comes in the way. They have to call me first, and we don't call. We will be expecting the call, but we will never take action. So I feel like that you need to let go of that. And if you want to say something from your heart, you go and do that. Maybe for it's different for other people, but this one message is, if it resonates, take. That is what I have to say. And with this mature woman also, I feel someone is there in your life who will be helping you. So you need to trust that person. I feel like that because we have trust card also, and you need to trust the situation also. Okay, so whatever the situation is, I feel like that here there is a lack of communication. I completely feel like that for many of you, this is a lack of communication where you are not communicating properly, and because of that you have a lot of misunderstanding going on. You're trying to control their behavior, and if you control, it's not going to work. That is what your angels want you to know. You need to trust, you need to act, you need to think and act. I feel like that. And at the same time, you need to trust. You need to trust the process also. I feel like that here. Okay, for many of you. Look here, again we got this 5 of Staves, this despair card. I talked about that. You are so conflicted. You have this ego issue also. I feel like that because of your ego, they will talk first. I'll not talk first. They have to call me, that kind of thing, and you're waiting for the call, and at the same time you're suffocating, and you're not calling because of your pride or something. So you need to let go of that kind of things. I feel like here for some of you it's there. If you're resonating completely, I feel like that. Wow, the next two cards are like, wow, look at that. The things are changing, guys. In the future, the things are changing. You know, when you let go of this control issue, when you're ready to speak properly, talk properly, without arguing, without fighting, or maybe if there is some person coming into your life, or there is a person, older woman, who will be helping you in this situation, I feel like that things are changing. Things are shifting for you guys with this fortune. Wheel of Fortune is there. So yes, this is a temporary situation. You need to trust, be patient, guys. Everything is gonna be okay. And we have this Emperor. Look at this power couple here. You know, Emperor, yeah, wow, that's beautiful. Look, they are together. King and a queen are together, right? So that kind of energy also is coming here. Okay, so yeah. And the one more thing, if you're single, when you let go of that control issue, you will find that person. I feel like that will be very powerful. This person will help you with your with your career, everything. I feel like that, because this person will be financially good also for the single people. I feel like that, because yeah, financially good, and they know what they are doing, and it will be like a very good relationship, power relationship. I feel like that. And for you, for the one who are already in a relationship, things are shifting for you guys. Okay, and you will be be a strong couple. I feel like that with this Emperor energy here, with this 4. Okay, and for some of you, this might be an Aries Aries person who is like older than you. Okay, we have this mature energy here also. So maybe that person is older than you. If you're single, that person is older than you. Yeah, that is also coming here. Yeah, so your thing is, you need to let go of that control thing. When you focus too much on love, I feel with stress and all, and you will be if you're thinking that I will never be able to have love and all, that will manifest. So you need to let it go, let that issue go. So that is what your thoughts needs to change. You need to trust more, and when you do that, things are going to shift for you for sure. So this is what I'm getting from here. Okay, look, your advice, never ending story. So yeah, you are feeling this way. This is your energy here. You're feeling that every time, every time things doesn't seem to happen the way I want. My relationships are like this always. Why I am like this? Blah blah blah. You keep on stressing, keep on thinking, and when you do that, that will manifest. So your angels, your spirit guides wants you to know that there is energy coming towards you. Is this Wheel of Fortune. Things will shift when you change your perception about things, when you're ready to let go of the things that is not serving you, when you're ready to when you're ready to know the perception of other people also, and at the same time let go of your ego also. When you do that, things are gonna shift for sure. With 7, 3 plus 7 is 10, and 10 plus is like again a 1, and that means new beginnings will come in your life. And with this 10 also, new things are coming into your life. So the only thing you need to do right now is to let go of the control issues. That is the main message. So if you're stressing about it more and more and more, that why there is like this, why this is happening, instead of communicating properly and thinking and stressing and being in this conflicted energy, the things will take more time. So that is what here you need to trust, you need to let go. Okay, and if someone gives you good advice, if there is an older woman who is giving you good advice, take it. Okay, follow it. That is what I'm getting from this group. Okay, from group number 1. Okay, so when you shift your energy, things are gonna shift for sure. Okay, communicate clearly. So that is what I'm getting. So that's for group number 1. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 2, who chooses love. So love is coming into your life. I feel like this with this pink is all about love vibe, right? So yeah, so love is definitely coming. I'm feeling that Ace of Cups energy, where there is new love coming into your life or something like that. I feel like that. So let's see, we have this male. Okay, so if you're a female, definitely a male is coming into your life. And we have this privileged lady. Okay, so yeah, you are So someone is definitely coming into your life, and you will be feeling so privileged, you will be feeling very happy because you are moving towards this person. I feel like that. Okay, so yeah, I kind of feel like that you will be feeling very happy, and this person is like financially stable also. I feel like that. So this person will be like uh, helping with you with finances also. I don't know why I'm getting that. Maybe he will buy you gifts or something like that. He will keep you like happy, and you will be feeling very 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 privileged with this person. Okay, so yeah, I feel kind of like if you're a single woman, yeah, you will be feeling so privileged to have this person in your life. And maybe you have met this person already or you will be meeting this person. Keep an open mind. And children. Okay, so there are children involved here, so maybe this person already has children, so that's why there is a keep an open mind here. Because yeah, because okay, so this is like completely different, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, you need to keep an open mind. Your soulmate, you see, this person is going to give you the happiness you want. Maybe this person have children already, or you are the person who have children already. Okay, so anyways, this person is not going to be the person you wanted for your life. They will be like completely different, from your expectation, but this person will be best for you guys. Okay, and of course there are children involved here, I feel like that. Okay, but I feel like this person is going to change your life. I feel like that also. They will make you happy, they will make you uh, yeah, they will make you privileged, they will give you the status you want, they will give you the respect you want. Okay, so everything is there, but some things so that's why this cards the cards came out for a reason, right? You need to keep an open mind here. So this person might have children before. Okay, or you, or maybe you both have children or something like that. I don't know, maybe you're divorced or something. Or maybe you're a single mom. Now someone is coming here into your life, and you're like, no, there are children, and I have a child, so I don't know if this is correct for me. So maybe that's why you need to keep an open mind. But this person, I feel, with this privileged lady and male, I feel like that. I don't know, I feel like that this person will make you fall in love all over again for this also. And if you are a male, I feel some female is coming who is like younger than you, and you will be very very privileged to have this woman, and this woman will be financially stable also. For if you're a male watching there, that is also I'm feeling here. And yeah, there is something with children over here. She might have kids or something, so that's why it's coming. You need to keep an open mind here. But even though because of the society also, there are problem here. They have children already, but this person is perfect for you. I feel like that. I don't know why, but that is what it's coming here. Look, yeah, we have the 7 of coins again. I feel the single mom vibe here. Single parents, you have a kid and you have been waiting for a relationship for so long. You want to start your life ahead, but maybe because of this child you don't know if it's correct. Because when we have children, it's difficult, right, to move on again. So angels are letting you know that this person is best for you, and you need to keep an open mind. This is your soulmate, and you will be vibing with one another one that is what it's coming. If you have already, because we have this children here. Look at the cards. We have this child here, we have children here. So yeah, so this is a message for the single moms. I feel like that. If you're a single mom, or if you're a single dad, okay, so because of your children, you're not getting into a relationship, and then this person is coming into your life. He will change, or she will change your life. Okay, so you need to you need to keep an open mind. This person, with the 7 of coins, I feel like that you want a good life for yourself and your kids also, and you have been waiting that for so long. You want love in your life, and finally this is happening. And so angels want to know that you need to keep an open mind here. Okay, Yeah, you have been waiting for this. Look that you have been waiting for. So many people have been like feeling like you will not never be loved again. You don't know where this is going. You want love, and finally this is coming here. Finally, you will be traveling together. So this is completely like that, kind of like a second chance at love, like again falling in love again. Look at that. Wow, God. Okay, so for me, I don't know, I'm just basically feeling you are a single mom, you're a single dad, you're like falling in love again. Otherwise you have like broke up with someone, and um, now this is happening. Anyways, for this pile, I feel children are involved here, and finally you're reuniting. You will be coming together, and you will be, I feel for this group, you need to let go of the expectations of the society or whatever the people say. Okay, you don't have to bother about this, because look at these two cards we have. You have been waiting for this person. This is your soulmate. Okay, so you don't have to think. Maybe many of you have met this person, and you're doubting right now whether you should take the decision, because children are involved, and you need to know, you are stressing about your kids. It's natural, because we stress about our kids, right? And you are stressing about our kids. If you marry, what will happen? But I feel this person is going to love you and your kids. This they will be giving the importance here. I feel like that. And look at this, there is so much love here. The love you have been waiting for, patiently waiting for, that is what you're gonna get here. I feel like that. Wow, this is like a completely different reading. So yeah, so if you're I feel if you're a single mom, if you're a single dad, you are gonna get a person who is like financially stable, who will be meeting your needs, who will you will have an equal relationship here. At the same time, they will be loving your kids also, or maybe they have kids, whatever the scenarios, I don't know, but this is what it's coming here. If you're being single for a while, I don't know why, whoever, if you're resonating, yeah, this is beautiful. With this world card, you'll be feeling love, like you have been waiting for this love for so long, and finally you're hugging, and you're just what is the feeling, you're feeling all over in love again, and you're believing in love again, and you're the world, you don't want to let go of this person. You just want to keep hugging. You have been patiently waiting for this moment, and that is going to come. With the 7 of coins also, you have lost hope that whether this will happen or not, but finally it's going to happen. So just keep an open mind. Okay, because of the society, don't sometimes because of the society, we choose society over our happiness. Don't do that. I don't know why I'm getting that. That is also here. You need to choose. You need to think about yourself first, and then about whatever the society thinks. Just let go of this crap society. But okay, I have to say this because people are judgmental. Whatever you do, if you do good, they will judge you. If you will do bad, they will judge you. Anyways, judgment will be there, so just let go of that judgment and do what is right for you. Do what your intuition says. If your intuition says that yes, this, even though you feel, even though this person might not come into expectations or the way they look or whatever it is, in your heart you will know that yeah, this is the one. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here. Wow, this is beautiful. Falling in love all over again, believing in love all over again, loving yourself, loving your kids, every kind of love. I feel like that with this pile. Look, wow, look at the rainbows. You have gone through a lot, guys. Yeah, in your love you have gone through a lot, and now you deserve the milk and honey. Now you deserve the happiness. Now you deserve the sweet abundance for your hard work. You have been working hard. You have been raising your kids. If I feel like that you have been doing everything single-handedly. Now it's time for partnership. Now it's time to be happy. It's to now it's time to live your life and be happy and joyful, not stressing about the small things. That is what I'm getting with this pile. So that is what the angels want you to know, that is happiness is coming for you next, the things you have been waiting for. Wow. So just keep an open mind here, guys. Choose your happiness. Listen to your intuition. But if you will not do that, if you will go with the society, if you will just think about your children, and sometimes when we have kids, we will think about our kids only. We will not think about ourselves. So I feel for some of you, you need to think about yourself also, your life also, because at the end of the day, if you are happy, then only you will be able to keep other people happy. If you are happy, your kids will be happy, right? So you need to make a decision, and I feel your children will be okay with it, I don't know, I'm feeling like that also. It's difficult, it have been difficult for you guys, but yes, you have this potential. You will be feeling all over in love again. You will be, this person will keep you secure. I feel like that they will change your life for good. Okay, you need to take a step though. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Very different message, guys. Wow. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, if you resonate, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. So hello, group number 3. So those of you who chose this one, a white color, so I feel you're protected. Okay, with this white, I feel like that there is protection. You're also spiritual also, I feel like that. So anyways, your angels are protecting you, guiding you in every step of your life. Okay, so we have this mature man over here, and we have great fortune. Wow, so that's beautiful. So I feel like there is a mature man in your life, maybe a father figure or your spouse who is like older than you, who have a lot of knowledge to give to you. So I feel, so when they are giving you some advice, take it. Okay, I feel like that. So some mature man is there who have a lot of knowledge, who is knowledgeable and is a good advisor, maybe a teacher. He will be helping you, will be guiding you. Okay, and with this great fortune, there is an immense amount of happiness coming into your life. Okay, so this is a very positive card. Okay, so I feel like that maybe for some of you, you are meeting a person who is older than you, and this person might give you a lot of happiness. Okay, and it's love, maybe it's father love, it's brother love, it's like, it's like a person is coming into your love life who will be giving you a lot of happiness. You will be very happy, and financially also you'll be doing good. All that positivity is coming into your life. I feel like that. Okay, yeah, yes, you deserve love. You're gonna get love because you deserve it. Okay, you're a lovable person, and I feel like that this bow and arrow over here, so whatever direction you want to go, you will be going there. Okay, I feel like whatever you want in your life, you will be achieving that. Okay, some person might help you in this. Okay, maybe someone is guiding you. So I feel here, with this pile, if you're single, your finances will also be good. You will be doing, you will do things independently. Okay, so even if you're in a relationship, so maybe you might, you were in a codependent relationship. For some of you, if you were like independent financially, if you were dependent on someone, you will be financially independent also. I feel like that. I don't know why I'm getting this with this great fortune card. I'm getting this because it's all about money, and this person is like alone. She is like, she's she's doing her work, she's going forward. I feel like that, towards her goals and dreams. Okay, so with love also, you the person you're choosing, if you're single right now, the person who will come will be the best for you. They will give you a lot of happiness. I feel like that if you're single. Wow, so this is a past life relationship here. So yes, so you're each other soulmate, so you will know each other correctly. It's like going to be like quick. If you're single right now, this person will come and things will move very fast. I feel like that, and you will be feeling so happy. You will be feeling like everything in your life is like correctly, it's like things are moving very nicely for you guys. In love, I feel there is a lot of happiness coming into your life. At the same time, you are also growing. For this pile, I feel like that you are working on yourself and you are also growing. Okay, oh, wow, you got 10 of coins also. Yeah, wow. So yeah, of course, we got 9 of coins. Wow. And oh my god, we have the soulmate card over here. This is the lovers card over here. Yeah, so this is like a past life relationship. So this person, if you are, if you are with this person, yes, this is your person, this is your soulmate. And if you're not, if you haven't met this person, so the person you will be meeting soon is your soulmate. You will be having a lot of connection. You will connect instantly. I feel like that. And even if you are in a partnership, if you are in a marriage, if you had problems earlier, that all problems will be resolved and you will be so happy with this person. Look at these two cards, it's like very much, I feel your intimacy, your physical intimacy will also be very good. I feel next, if you had problem in that is also going to improve. You will be feeling loved because you deserve love, because your angels are guiding you. You're in the spirituality also. For some of you, you're growing with this mature man. I feel like you are also maturing. That can also be instant here. I feel like that you're also guiding someone. You're like you're learning more about yourself, your relationship. You're changing your perception about things. That's why your love life is improving and improving. This person is also, whatever differences you had, that is all fading away, and you're like coming in terms with each other, and you're like loving each other more. Does it make sense? I don't know why, but yeah, you're loving each other more and more and more and more. I feel like that, you're getting the love back. You have been working on this relationship a lot in the past. Now you're getting it back. I don't know why. You are understanding you are meant for each other, something like that. If it's your husband, yes, you're growing together. You're understanding, you're spiritually growing also. I feel like that. If you're so if it's your boyfriend or whatever, I don't know, you're just growing together. Like you're becoming a matured couple also. I feel like that. At the same time, you're working on your independence. I feel like that many of you, with this 9 of coins, I feel like that you're working on your you maybe you in you were in a codependent relationship where you're depending financially. Now you're making your way for your financial independence also. I kind of feel like that, where you will be happy with your finances, you will be happy with your career, you will be feeling fulfilled, happy, and now you're like, things are like, wow, things are going good for me. That is what I'm feeling for this pile. Wow, very blessed pile. Because I feel you have endured a lot in the past, and because of all these experiences, you have become so matured about things, and you know what direction. With this, I feel like that you know where you want to go. Your intuition is good, and you know where you want to go. So yeah, I feel like that. Maybe you're doing a business together. Your spouse you might do a business together, and that will flourish. Anyways, love, happiness, fulfillment is coming to you guys. Look, we have this happy card and round. So I feel with this round and round card, I kind of feel that the things that was not serving you, sometimes we keep repeating the mistakes. Now you have understood. I feel for this pile, the thing next you will understand is the mistakes you were repeating. Sometimes we repeat the same mistakes, and the cycle goes and goes and goes. This was happening for you guys. Now you know what is the mistake. You're changing yourself. Because of that, this cycle is gonna end, and now you're going to be very happy. Look at this, 25 and 26 you got. So you're leveling up, okay, in your relationship, in your finances. So the thing is, you have worked hard for this. You are changing, you are spiritually growing, and because of that, you know what is the what you need to change. You're not changing others, you're trying to change yourself, and because of that, things are changing for you. So it's not an easy path, because you deserve this. You have been working towards it. You have been trying so hard. You're so kind and caring. I'm getting that also. You're so kind and caring. You have been working so hard, and finally things are aligning for you. And I feel I don't know, there are some people who are not so happy with this also. So please protect your energy also. I just got it, okay. They were happy when you were struggling. I don't know why I'm saying that, but I got that. Now they're not so happy to see you happy. So if someone is there, just protect your energy, because energetically also you can get that negative vibe. So sage yourself, okay, because there will be jealous people when you're very happy, when everything is going good in your life. There will be people who will not be so happy about that, right? So yeah, that evil, I think, so just protect yourself. I don't know, this is also coming. So I feel for you guys, everything is gonna be good because you deserve it. That's why I'm getting here. Finally you have you're transforming, and you have ended this cycle that was repeating, and now it's going leveling up. It's like happy. You will be happy in your life. You will be happy in a relationship, ships. Okay, you will be happy in a career also. So you want to do something independently. For this group, if you're resonating, yes, you will be successful in that also. Okay, if you want to do a home business or something like that, I feel that is also coming here. Wow, this is good, right? Okay, so yeah, these three piles have like completely different messages. Okay, anyways, so that's all for group number 3. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or a share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care.